Hi guys, here is what you have to do the first time when the air conditioning compressor doesn't work or doesn't start. The fan doesn't start either. But it's only valid if you know that the air conditioning system has refrigerant and also a functional and not a broken compressor. You can see here that the air conditioning compressor doesn't start when the engine is running. So first open the hood and remove the battery cover. Then open the fuse box cover and check the first fuse from the left side. You can find fuse box diagram below in the video description. If the fuse is burned, you have to replace it with the one with the same ampere. So here is the fuse, it's in a bad condition. Also, you will need to replace the fuse box also if it's in bad condition. You can find new fuse box like this in the video description below. You can look for this fuse box using the serial numbers 1J0937-617D or 1J09375550AF. So here is the fuse box, is in bad condition, so we need to replace the fuse box also. So we replace the green fuse with the one with the same ampere. It has 30 ampere. You can find 30 ampere green fuse in the video description below. Now you can see that air conditioning compressor is working. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.